Take a look at the following program and try to figure out what will be displayed when number is written to the console, what the value of number is going to be when written to the console. You might think it's going to be 2 plus 3 is 5 times 4, 20 as the value that's displayed. But if we run the program, you see that the value is actually 14. The reason for that is because C# has an order of precedence for its arithmetic operators, such that multiplication occurs before addition. So the 3 times 4 sub-expression is evaluated first, and then that value is added to 2 to get 14. Multiplication, or the multiplicative operators, have a higher order of precedence than the additive operators. So multiplication, division, and exponentiation are performed before addition and subtraction. If you want to modify the order of operations in a formula, put a sub-expression in parentheses. And parentheses have a higher order of precedence than the multiplication or the multiplicative operators. So it will be performed first in each sub-expression in parentheses. So in this case, we will see the value is 20, because the 2 plus 3 operation is performed before the multiplication due to the parentheses. Remember that anytime you write a formula in C#, the compiler will get it correctly based on its rules of precedence. So if you need to break those rules, in other words, if you need addition to be performed before multiplication, and they're at the same level, then you need to put parentheses around that sub-expression that you want evaluated first. Otherwise, the compiler will follow its rules of precedence, and multiplicative operators are evaluated before additive operators. There's not much else to talk about in this lesson. We're going to play with formulas in the exercises. So you'll see an example of modifying the order of precedence. So it's probably time to move on to the next lesson, which is on some special operators for incrementing and adding values to variables.